3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5 Bay FM.
We are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news. All right, from in and around Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right, ayan yung mga latest, the latest. Before we proceed with that, we would like to invite you guys, yung mga motorista, mga kaibigan natin, mga tropa nating motorista, no? Try nyo po, subukan nyo SK-ZIC, SK-ZIC. Z as in zebra, I as in international, C as in continental. International Continental. Sounds like a WWF Wrestling Championship, huh? SK-ZIC Lubricants. Okay, visit the official Facebook page, SK-ZIC Lubricants.ph. Nasa Facebook page po yan. They have their Facebook page, I mean. Check the best offer for everybody. SK-ZIC's most affordable semi-synthetic scooter engine oil. Hindi lang scooter engine oil, meron ding for trucks, for buses, for motor oils that will keep your workhorse protected and keep an optimized performance for severe riding conditions. Okay? This is not your typical engine oil. It's fluid engineering innovation. Now available at the motor oil stores or motor stores, mga automotive stores, mga automotive specialty stores. SK-ZIC, SK-ZIC. All right, try it. And some of the latest now from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino, Directors Chito Lahom and Bert Mozo welcome officials from the Land Transportation Office or LTO, led by LTO Chief Assistant Secretary Attorney Vigor Mendoza II during their courtesy visit at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center or the SBEC. The SBMA and the LTO plan to enforce more stringent traffic policies inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone to ensure the safety and security of motorists. All right? So, ayan, kilala lang ang Subic Bay Freeport when it comes to traffic discipline, you know, the anti-littering campaign. Kilala na tayo eh, all right? Pero they plan to do more stringent traffic policies. Alam niyo naman eh, di ba? Nakilala tayo dyan eh. Sikat na sikat tayo dyan pagdating dyan. So, even there was one time in the news, the officials of EDSA, sabi nga nila, they want a pattern after yung sa MMDA, how they do traffic. They want to pattern it after the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, right? As difficult as it may seem, as hard as it may seem, alam niyo naman ilang milyon yung sasakyan sa no? Sa EDSA araw-araw. But yeah, they want to, sabi nga nila. Oh, okay? So see, that means it really works yung what we do here with our traffic policies, strange policies here, okay? And that's the latest for today. The SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo C. Alino, along with our directors Chito Lahom, Bert Mozo, welcomed the officials of the LTO and the Land Transportation Office. The Chief Secretary was there, Attorney Vigor Mendoza II, along with other officials at the SBEC, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. And our friends at Le Charme Suites Subic is inviting you indulge in a memorable stay at Le Charme Hotels. Check out the Movie by the Pool. They have a regular Movie by the Pool showing there at Le Charmes. Okay, this time they're gonna be presenting The Little Mermaid. It's gonna be this Saturday, May 18, 5 p.m. All right, and doors will open at 5 p.m. Okay, at the showing area of the pool area. And movie starts at 6 p.m. So don't miss out on this special offer. Okay? Movie tickets only 200 pesos each with a buy 3 tickets, get 1 free deal. Oh, how awesome is that, huh? Experience the magic under the stars with Ariel's captivating adventure. So reserve your spot now for an unforgettable evening. Okay? Le Charme Building is at 1131 Palm Street, Subic Bay, Freeport. Okay? And you may call or text 0995 980-7259 or email or check out lecharmfrontoffice@gmail.com. And lastly, since mainit, you have to ensure that your aircon is working properly, working right. Air conditioning is properly working. Okay? Cool Masters Air Conditioning Trading. They are located at number 3, Canto Radar, Purok 5, Barangay Roosevelt, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay? For more inquiries for services, maintenance, cleaning, sales, and parts of your aircon, Cool Masters Air Conditioning Trading, 0946-359-9769. Yeah. And on with the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the best gift for any occasion. If you're not sure, if you're unsure what to give as gift, the best gift for any occasion, I'm gonna tell you the secret: SM Gift Pass. So get them now at the customer service counter of all SM stores nationwide. Also, the famous Belgian waffles are now open at the SM City Olongapo Downtown, and check it out at the ground level. Okay, shoes and bags sale at all SM stores will be from May 1 to 31, up to 50% off on shoes and bags. Kabalen Free Buffet is still ongoing, so bring along with you for paying customers. And the fifth one, yours is gonna be free. Bring along with you your SMAC card. Okay, don't forget that. And Kabayan Day is every first Tuesday of the month. Brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Malls. Okay, 10% off for OFWs on the SM affiliate stores like SM Bowling, SM Skating, Miniso, Ace Hardware, and a whole lot more. Okay, 10% off every first Tuesday of the month. Kabayan Day for OFWs and their families. Okay. And lastly, if you have plans of seeing the movies, SM Cinemas are showing the following movies for SM Central: Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes for Cinema 1 and 2. Cinema 3, Cinema 2, Fuchsia Libre, alternating with Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Okay? Cinema 3, Cinema 4, Isang Gabi. Cinema 5, Haikyuu, The Dumpster Battle. Cinema 6, Sting. Also at Cinema 6, A Southern Haunting. Okay, Cinema 4, Isang Gabi, interesting movie title. Parang title ng movie ng ng mga tropa ko, no, kagaya ni Kuya Jonas Reyes. Ganyan ni Kuya Kenneth King Yambao. Yan yung mga movie nila, si Marlo Zerudo. Isang Gabi. And si Erwin Manalansan din, yan. Si Glenn Chavez Romano, yan. Yan yung mga movie na bagsakan para sa inyo, no? Movie nyo. And by the way, for SM Central, those movies are from May 17 to 21, okay? And from May 16 to 19, SM Downtown, Cinema 1, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Cinema 2, Cinema 3, Haikyuu, The Dumpster Battle. All right? Buy your tickets now. And here's our next requested song. Music coming from the youth. Multo sa Paningin, 895 Subic Bay Radio.